Hi there! Welcome to this sequence of video clips where we will build a complete automated test case for regression testing. In the last video we learned how to install Catalan Recorder. You will see the link in the description of this video. Now we are going to record a complete test case. First step is to open Catalan Recorder and start the recording by clicking on the red button. Then we can go to Firefox and go to the site from where we want the test case to be recorded. I will go to automationpractice.com that provides some very good examples for test automation software. Here I will order a t-shirt. I will speed up this sequence a bit so that the video doesn't get boring for you. What we do is we buy a t-shirt, click various UI elements, create a new customer record with his address, birth date and so on, and in the end confirm shipping and payment terms. And this is the confirmation. Your order in my store is completed. The payment amount, and here we have an order reference. We'll come back to that in a later video. Now that we recorded our test case, we will stop Catalan Studio. We open it and we press the stop button. You don't have to worry about all the things that are written here, but we can run the test case again to make sure that everything in the recording works out fine. The only thing we need to change is here the email address, because otherwise the system will say that the address was already registered. We also have to switch to Firefox and sign out of the current account. Once we've done that, we can go again to Catalan Recorder and play. Again, I will speed up this sequence a bit. The real duration is a bit over 2 minutes. If you're interested, you can adjust the player settings in YouTube and watch the details. Basically, we can see that the same steps are executed again, this time as a replay of our recorded test case. In the end we see again the same payment amount, but a new order reference than in our first example. So this test case works and we are ready to import it into baangt. In the next video of this series we will see how to import the recorded test case into baangt, the open source test automation suite. That's it for this video. Don't forget to subscribe if you want to see more of our content.